what do you look for in a laundromat site?
Several key factors, obviously. So the demographic is very important. Making sure that you're not opening up in a location where everybody has a washer and dryer at home. So demographic is very, very important, but also some key factors about the site itself, right? So the typical stuff that probably everybody knows, which is parking, right? I think parking is very crucial. You want to have substantial on-site parking. Sometimes you can get away without it. Like obviously, if you open in Manhattan, you don't need parking. Most people don't have cars. But if you're in New Jersey, in more of a, not suburban area, but less, not so much like a city like Manhattan, you really want parking. The size of the facility also has to be adequate. I think the days of smaller laundromats and these little neighborhood laundromats, they're behind us. I think people want more. They want more machines. They don't want to wait. They want to have, a nice, spacious location. But, where I think a lot of people don't understand what to look for in a site is look at your utilities, right? Look at the size of the utilities that's coming in. Reach out to the utility providers. Hey, look, I'm going to need to upgrade this 200 amp service to 800 amps. What does that take, right? They may say, look, for us to do this, we have to do, engineering, and it may cost, thousands of dollars and this and that. And we may get approval, we may not. Same thing with sewer lines or water lines or gas lines. Make sure before you start investing and dumping money, and then you find out that, oh my God, for me to run a sewer line is going to cost me $50,000 and I have to get a county permit try to find a site where those things are easy to accomplish. Now, you may find a great site where the utility services are going to be a little complicated and may be worth it, but you still want to know beforehand, right? So you can plan accordingly and give yourself enough time and enough money, obviously, to facilitate that stuff. So utilities are really important because they're the heart of our business. So definitely, big factor for a good location for us.